About this item 2023 upgraded version, the Suliya auxiliary cord for iPhone adopts the newest API certified chips. It can support all iOS versions, including iOS 10/11/12/13/14/15/16 and later. This cable is compatible with multiple devices, such as iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 XS, XR, X876, iPod Touch, iPad mini/iPad Air/iPad Pro. Now don't worry, your iPhone appears IT doesn't support this product. Premium sound transmission. This auxiliary cable for the car was a built-in newest powerful DAC, digital to analog converter, chip and premium copper wires to ensure stable and lossless sound transmission of the audio signal, provide flawlessly music transmission, and clear hi-fi sound quality. You can enjoy high-quality music by connecting your iPhone to your car or home stereo, headphones, hi-fi, computer stereo, etc. Ultra durability 15,000 plus bend lifespan is several times longer than most auxiliary cords. Soft TPE, making this auxiliary cord for iPhone 12 be a flexible and long-lasting cable. It's lightweight and convenient to take around. No worry about the winding, knot, or kink plug.